Welcome to the SunCase 3651 Quick Start video guide. So when you get your 3651 unit from the factory, the battery will be partially charged, somewhere between 30 and 50%. It is good to go right out of the box. However, most of you may want to top up the battery before using it the first time. So we're going to go through those steps. The one thing I wanted to point out is this new SunCase, which is the first of its kind, incorporates a built-in master breaker, which is located inside just underneath the cover. So before you start anything up, make sure that master breaker is turned on. Once you turn it on and close up the cover, you never have to touch it again, unless for whatever reason, let's say trying to comply with OSHA lockout tagout rules, you want to switch that off, lock up the case, in which case the whole unit is unusable. Okay, so let's start. There are two ways that you can top up the battery. One is through an AC source, i.e. your wall outlet or a generator. And you can do that by plugging, you get two cords that ship with the unit. So you want to charge from AC, you basically plug this first cord into your AC connection. Again, remember the AC charger is inside the unit, so you don't have to worry about that extra box to carry around. And then plug that into the wall, right? So that's pretty straightforward. The other way that you can top it up is through solar, which is our favorite way. And the way to do that is to basically connect, again, the cable that accompanies this unit. Plug your Anderson connector in there, make sure it's seated properly, and then connect your industry standard MC4 cables to a solar panel or solar array, right? So something to note also about this new unit, once the battery is full from charging, it goes into standby mode to protect the battery. And so what you want to do basically is once the battery is fully charged, you want to go through the startup process. And the way that works is your DC switch, right? If it's on when you were charging, you want to shut it off and then cycle it, basically turn it on again. So you'll hear that beep and you'll see a green light come around the ring, around the switch. So that now activates the battery and the DC outputs, right? Your USB type A and C connections, as well as your 12 volt cigarette lighter type adapter. And then if you want to use the 120 volt AC outputs, you have to turn on the AC switch. The AC switch will not turn on unless the DC switch is on. It takes about 5 seconds, so don't panic if you press the button and nothing happens immediately. It takes about 5 seconds for the inverter to wake up. Once you have both your DC and AC switches on, you're 100% functional and good to go. All right.